Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko has threatened to use nuclear weapons in response to aggression by the NATO allies at the border. The warning comes as tensions rise around the country's borders with NATO nations. Lukashenko's remarks were directed at Poland, Lithuania, and Latvia, who have expressed their concerns against Belarus for giving shelter to the Wagner troops. In an interview on Thursday, Lukashenko said, "If aggression against a country is launched from the side of Poland, Lithuania, and Latvia, we will immediately respond with everything we have," he said, adding, "and the strike will be unacceptable." In June, Russian President Vladimir Putin reportedly sent nuclear warheads to its ally Belarus for deterrence. It is unclear how many Russia has delivered nuclear arsenal to Minsk recently, but senior officials from the US Defense Intelligence Agency said that they had no reason to doubt Putin's claims. Minsk has played a key role in Russia's war in Ukraine, with Moscow using Belarus as one of its launch pads for the invasion in early 2022, while joint Russia-Belarus military drills over the past year have fueled concerns Belarusian troops could join Russian forces in the conflict. Lukashenko also claimed Belarus would never get involved in this war unless Ukrainians crossed its border. But he added, "We will keep helping Russia, they are our ally." Lukashenko said they will not strike unless first provoked, adding, "We will not tarry, wait and the rest. We will use the entire arsenal of our weapons for deterrence," he said, explaining that they are a small country that can be captured within a month. "We didn't bring nuclear weapons here in order to scare someone," he added. Belarus was one of the few countries that actively supported Russia during its invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Though it hasn't yet participated in the war, the recent joint military drills between Russia and Belarus over the past year has fueled concerns. The security situation in Eastern Europe has been volatile, as two of the northern neighbors of Belarus, Poland and Lithuania, have been wary of Wagner troops currently stationed in Minsk in the wake of a failed coup against Putin. There were reports circulating that Wagner troops had been dispatched towards a thin strip of land between Poland and Lithuania to increase pressure on NATO and European Union members. Following this, Poland announced that it would move around 10,000 troops to its border with Belarus and detained two Russians accused of spying and spreading propaganda for the Russian mercenary group. On Wednesday, Lithuania said it would temporarily suspend operations at two of its 6 border checkpoints with Belarus due to concerns about Wagner forces, with the Interior Ministry citing emergency threats to national security and possible provocation at the border. In response, Belarus slammed Lithuania for taking an unconstructive and unfriendly step, calling its Wagner reasoning far-fetched.